Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Cronos cost figure proposes a chance of CRO exchanging between $1937 to $2273 in 2025, or so they essentially thought, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Experts project a bullish pattern for Cronos in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $148 mark, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our Cronos decently especially long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes CRO possibly running somewhere in the range of $82.13 and $95.10, or so they basically thought. The cost of one CRO would generally truly reach as sort of high as $77.96 by 2040, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cronos explicitly fundamentally is right now valued at $1.20 when you're 38 on the lookout, or so they basically thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. Starting around 1 walk 2024 Cronos basically is exchanging at $1.20 when you're 38 in terms of its OST rate, with a value change of 51% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which certainly shows that Cronos cost figure proposes a chance of CRO exchanging between $10.37 to $2.73 in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. CRO in every practical sense has a fundamentally complete market cap of $275,414,274 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,382,263 in an exceptionally significant manner. This essentially makes Cronos CRO especially positioning at 42 in the digital currency market, or so they for the most part thought. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Cronos cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cronos generally be certainly worth in 2024, which for the most part is very huge? Is Cronos a wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will CRO cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, or so they generally thought? These especially are our Cronos cost expectations for CRO's future in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Cronos CRO value expectation 2024 as per the Cronos conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CRO cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a really normal value level of $1.340, the normal certainly least value worth of Cronos toward the finish of the especially current year ought to for the most part be $0.302, which certainly explicitly is genuinely huge. Besides, CRO can especially arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $523, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. CRO value figure February 2024. The Cronos estimate for February 2024 expects that the CRO may especially arrive at a very greatest worth of $2016 with a base cost of around $3, or so they generally especially thought. Discussing the especially normal value CRO can especially essentially stretch around $88 for February in an unobtrusive manner. Cronos CRO value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Cronos cost really is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced cost of $970. The CRO cost could sort of especially arrive at a kind of truly greatest cost of $1.165 with a truly normal expected cost around $1.17, which generally is very huge, which is very critical. Cronos value conjecture April 2024 the normal cost of Cronos CRO could generally go to $2038 toward the finish of April 2024, which truly is genuinely huge. CRO could generally be exchanging around a sort of greatest worths $5 with a kind of least expected cost of $991 in a sort of significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Cronos value expectation May 2024. The cost of Cronos generally will be for the most part truly anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $1.32 in May 2024 in an unpretentious way. The CRO cost could for the most part arrive at an actually certainly greatest worth of $20 when you're at 57 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.79 all through 2024 in a quite huge manner in an unpretentious way. CRO value gauge June 2024. The Cronos figure for June 2024 expects that the Crow may truly arrive at a quite most extreme worth of 0.2211 with a by and large genuinely least cost of around 0.163, which basically is genuinely critical. Discussing the typical value Crow can stretch around $1 for June in an unobtrusive manner. Cronos Crow value expectation July 2024. The cost for Cronos in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.107 and $0.255, especially genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.145, which certainly is genuinely critical. Crow value gauge August 2024. The Cronos estimate for August 2024 expects that the Crow may explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $1.2313 with an exceptionally least cost of around $1.132 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the very normal value Crow can really stretch around $1.79 for August, which in every practical sense, in a real sense, shows that starting around 01 walk 2024 Cronos I. In every practical sense is exchanging at $1.138 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 51% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which shows that Cronos cost gauge proposes a chance of Crow exchanging between $9.37 to $2.73 in 2025, or so they truly thought, which is genuinely critical. Cronos Crow value conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Cronos actually for the most part is truly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $1.123, while the coin could exchange between an in every way that really matters limit of $1.360 and a kind of least of $1.165 in a very significant manner in an exceptionally large manner. Cronos cost expectation October 2024. Cronos cost generally truly is supposed to in a real sense reach between $2.213 to $1.48 in October 2024. While the essentially normal cost of Crow for the October fundamentally sort of stays around $251 Cronos cost forecast November. P24. Cronos cost is supposed to for the most part reach between $1.1254 to $1.4058 in November 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of Crow for the November generally explicitly remains around $1.301 Cronos cost expectation December 2024. Cronos cost truly is supposed to really reach between $1.302 to $1.523 in December 2024, while the very normal cost of Crow for the December in a real sense stays around $1.340 Cronos kind of especially past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cronos's cost, all things considered, has shown a very decent increment of 672% in the sort of genuinely most recent 24 hours in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. From especially most recent 7 days